Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to tell you or guide you how to protect the seedlings and how to maintain the seedlings in the growing stage. So now you are seeing radish. These are radish. These are all radish, and these are dhania, that is coriander, and these are palak. You can see they are in good condition. But methi, this I had put over here, methi, but they are not germinating properly. I think the seed quality is not so good, and these are the seeds of methi. You can see not so good, I think. So you must, when you go to the nursery, you must see the manufacturing date and expiry date of the seed testing and all, and then you must buy it. And you can see at the back, these are the brinjal seeds have germinated. This is also brinjal, and this is a long variety, that it comes in green color. And especially in rainy season, uh, now in Bangalore it's continuously raining, but it's not rainy season, but it's winter season. So in winter season, these are the best crops to grow. You can see these are best crops, and even tomatoes and lady's finger, and even broccoli, and gobi, pata gobi, like that things you can grow. But I have selected these much. These give me harvest in around 1 month to 1.5 month. So and even radish gives harvest in 40 to 42 days. So these are the good vegetables, and we can harvest quicker. And even you can see here, the mint pudina I have grown over here by just I have uh, cut the cuttings from the pudina, and I have just sow it, and within 5 days the results you can see. And before buying the seeds, you must see this. You can see the seeds expired, not expired, it will expire at 2022. So this is, I'm showing you, this is radish seeds, and this brinjal also, it will expire at 22. So we can, it's good seeds. So I think methi is some problem, because he gave me in the loose packets. So it may be the seeds have not germinated like that. So see the radish, you can do thinning. It's overcrowded, you can do thinning. Thinning meaning uh, the radish size will grow bigger and bigger, so that you can get longer and more thicker radish. So in rainy season, please don't put your seedlings outside, because they will get damaged, and they will, if they germinate also, they will lean down in the soil, and they will get rotten. So that is all flop. It will not be good, and you will also not be satisfied with that. So please make sure that you keep in the shade. See here, I have kept in the shade. You can see here, just below the shade I have kept my all pots. Okay, so these are all radish, palak, methi, and dhania. You can all put directly in the 12 inches pot. You no need to make seedlings for that. And for brinjal you must make seedlings. So that's why I have kept in the shallow pots. This is around 4 inches depth, that's all. So in the cups also I have kept. So after 1 month you can transplant in bigger pots, like 14 inches pot. You can see this 12 inches, you can transplant in that. So yes guys, this was just the guidance how to protect the seedlings, and please follow it and you will get a nice harvest. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.